Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy Monday. It's been a while since I have uploaded a video, but today I was going to be doing my March dashboard in my Happy Planner, and I thought it was a good video for me to just update you guys on where I've been and what I've been up to while doing some sort of planning, because I haven't touched a planner in 2 weeks. No, it feels longer than that. It must be 3 weeks. This must be the third week. So I was well overdue doing some plannery stuff. So here we are. If you've missed my last couple of months doing my dashboards in my Happy Planner, then I will leave them linked down below, or I'll just put it in a card which should come up on your screen. Right now I'm just trying to figure out how I wanted to put the monthly date at the top, and I fiddle about for a little while and then I figure it out and we're off. But yeah, I haven't uploaded a video in so long. I haven't recorded a video in so long, so this video I actually filmed last week, I think it was, but I just haven't got around to editing it, and then I've just been so busy with work it just kind of sat there. So I thought we would put it up today. So it's not my usual Plan With Me Monday video, but I hope you guys enjoy this anyway. So I'm using some stickers from a couple of different Mambi sticker books, and also some random shops as well, which I did try to put the sticker sheet on the screen so you guys will be able to see what shop it's from. But if you missed the quick flash, then just let me know down in the comments and I will try and answer you and tell you where they are from. When I had filmed this originally, it wasn't going to be a voiceover, so I'm kind of talking. I tried to cut out some of the flailing hands all over the screen because I talk a lot with my hands, I've noticed. So yeah, apologies if you don't see where the sticker shop is. Apologies if you don't see the sticker shop from the stickers that I'm using. That still doesn't make sense, but I think you know what I mean. So I finished my title for March up at the top, and then on the left hand side previously what I was doing is having a space for a quote and then a memory, and then also writing down the types of videos that I'll be filming that month. But this time, because work is so hectic at the minute, I've just done a quote, and I also left space for a memory for March. And all of the stickers and the colours that I'm using I based off of my sticker sheet, the Washi Girls Part 2, which is one of the stickers that I've just popped down. And also I'm using foil stickers because we know by now I am obsessed with foil stickers. So as I was saying, it's been a very long time since I have touched a planner or planned in my planner, touched some stickers. Well, no, that's a lie. I have been touching stickers because I've still been doing my orders, but I haven't really been doing anything in my planner or using stickers myself, any of the fun parts. So I'm really pleased to actually be sitting down and at least editing and doing a voiceover video. That means I've got some time creeping back to myself. So it probably started maybe in December. I decided to just get a part-time job to help over Christmas. I thought Christmas was expensive when the children were younger, but once they get to teenager, then it's just a different kind of expense. So that's how it started. I just went and got a part-time job. And then shortly after that, I then started to work at Morrison's. So I work upstairs in the people's office. I do payroll and work alongside managers and do all the kind of admin side, which was really strange when I first got there because, I don't know, you don't think of supermarkets having a big office upstairs with lots of things going on. So that was completely new to me. I'd never done anything like that before, but also they were really struggling on different departments with being understaffed. So I kind of jumped on to different departments just to help them out. So I was doing twilight shifts, working at nights, I'd worked behind the deli, I've done click and collect. There's kind of lots of different departments that I jumped on and helped them out. And as you can imagine, that was a bit crazy with all of the different hours. I've also been doing kind of double shifts, or a lot longer shifts, I should say, than what I was supposed to be doing. So all of that has been just really busy and really crazy, and just a lot to learn for my brain to kind of absorb. So a lot of the days I was getting up, going to work, coming home, having something to eat, and then just going to bed. Well, I didn't even make it to bed. I would fall asleep on the sofa, wake up, crawl off to bed, and then wake up and do it all over again. And I've only really been having Sundays off. I have Tuesday afternoons off as well at the moment, and Tuesday afternoons is when I've been doing orders, and sometimes when I would come back from work I would just stay up a bit late so I could get some orders done and get them out. So orders and everything have still been going out. Nothing has changed in my shop wise, apart from that I haven't really been having any new releases, which is so sad because I've been working really hard on my Stalogy kit that was supposed to come out in March, on the 1st of March, and I've still got one sheet left to design, and then I'll probably release it because I really like the kit. I really love how it is coming out and how it's looking. Jumping back to what I'm doing, I'm just creating a space to write a memory for March, but I actually end up changing this because I didn't really like it. I think my pen was half running out. It's a Simply Gilded pen. It's really nice to write with and it's really nice and black, but it's just kind of running out a little bit, so I decided just to take that off and start again, and then I moved it up as well. So in the bottom here I just decided to write my quote, and I didn't really have a quote that I liked for March, so I ended up writing Hello March, and that it was chapter 3 I think we're on, or 3 out of 12. I can't remember what I wrote now. Something like that. And then I just create a header for the memories and I move it up to that middle section. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so it's not that I don't want to plan anymore or don't want to do my YouTube anymore. I definitely do, and hopefully things are going to start calming down in the next couple of weeks. It's literally just because I've been working non-stop and my brain is confused 99% of the time. In fact, I rarely know what day we're on. That's how confused I've been. It's just a lot of training as well that I've had to go through, and learning different procedures and things that I have absolutely no idea about. But like I said, it should be calming down within the next couple of weeks, so then I can get back into regular uploads again and filming. I will still I will still finish, I don't know why I'm struggling to talk, my Stalogy kit, because I'm so excited to release that one. I think it's like my best one yet. I know I've only released 2 so far. This is my 3rd one, but this one is by far my favourite. So I'm very excited. And I just want to use it in my Stalogy. I want to set up my Stalogy for March. So you may see March setup videos coming out at the end of March, but I've got to try and catch up. It's either that or just leave March out and use it for April, which is another idea that I can do. I'm not sure what to do yet. Let me know down below what you think I should do. Do you want to see a rewind of March set up, or would you just like me to skip ahead to April? Also, while we're talking about March, apart from my Stalogy kit that I will release once I finish that page, which should be in the next couple of days, hopefully, fingers crossed, I think that will probably be my only release for March. I don't think I'm going to have time to be able to design everything ready and then in my shop, because normally obviously I have a release every Saturday, if you guys are new and you didn't know. But for this month, while everything is settling down and I'm getting into a new routine of both work, Etsy and YouTube, I'm going to skip March, I think, for new releases. But other than that, I will be back to normal following in April, and then we'll have new releases every Saturday. I've got lots of things that I've already started, so that's good. And if I do have any spare time, I'm doing those so I'm ahead and ready for April and I can release them all. And yeah, so back to normal. If you have messaged me on Instagram, I just wanted to say thank you so much, because I've had quite a few DMs asking if I'm okay and that you've noticed that I've been really quiet lately. So it's just really nice to know that if anything happened and I disappeared, then you guys would notice and ask if I'm okay. So I just wanted to say that I really appreciate all of the messages, and I think I've answered everyone back, but if I haven't, then I'm so sorry. But yes, I'm fine. It's just been a crazy busy work month or 2. But now we are getting to the end of the video, so I've still got space down here for new releases, because obviously when I filmed this I hadn't decided not to have any new releases in March, and I've got a space that I can write down for my income and the dates that it's coming in, and then at the top it will be for important dates. And I actually ended up using all of these foiled bows, which were in rose gold. So I'm going to have to get another sheet. These were from Diamond Print Designs and I've really loved using them, so I'm definitely going to purchase some more. But I'm just going to quickly fill this out off camera, and then when we come back you'll be able to see how it looks like when it's filled in. That was it for this week's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, wherever you are having a day, and I will speak to you all in my next upload, which will hopefully not be such a long gap. Bye everyone!